Hello, I'm New York workers' compensation attorney Brian Mittman, answering the frequently asked questions that you may have about New York workers' compensation. One of the questions we get a lot is, what is maximum medical improvement? That's a term that I hear from my attorney or from the judge or from the insurance company. In shorthand, we call it MMI, maximum medical improvement. And here's what that means. It basically means that at some point during your case, your medical condition is not going to necessarily get any better or any worse. You still may need treatment, but you're not going to get better or maybe much worse. So you have now reached your maximum improvement. And why is this important? This is important because this is how workers' compensation cases end. For example, if you injured your arm and you have reached maximum medical improvement for your arm, you will get an award known as a schedule. That is a percentage, 10% permanent injury to your arm. However, if you're still out of work and collecting a weekly payment, a finding of maximum medical improvement is going to limit the amount of future weeks of benefits you can get, and you may even be required to start looking for work depending on how disabled or impaired that you are. So there's a lot of legal and technical issues that happen when a doctor, whether it's your doctor or the insurance company, says you have reached maximum medical improvement. The goal is to get you there, but you got to be careful once you do. If you have any questions about this or anything else, give me a shout.